Okay guys, welcome back to Jay's Strategies, where we talk about the latest and greatest crypto and much more. I've had some requests. People want to see farming of the LP token Flamez-BBC. Okay? So as you've seen in previous videos, I've been doing different videos, how-to videos, and showing you and testing the different farming, okay? So we did receive some AME from farming from other farms, as you've seen in other videos, and just generally speaking, for your AME BBC pair on BBC chain network, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to go to liquidity, okay? And we're going to make this liquidity pair, all right? So we're going to go to add liquidity pair, okay? And when we do add liquidity pair, we're going to go ahead and put BBC, and then I'm going to put Flames AME right here. Now when I hit max, because I want to, there we go. So it has my full balance of what I have in AME inside this wallet. It's going to automatically give me that ratio, okay? So that way I can know how much, because I'm going to be using all of my AME, all right? So here we go. I'm going to go over and I hit max, and it automatically shows the amount of supply of BBC that is needed, which is a 50-50 ratio on a LP pair, okay? Now here it says supply for me, okay? So for some of you guys, it probably will say enable, and then you got to click it, enable the transaction, so that way it's enabled in your wallet. So same concept as I'm doing supply. So I'm going to go ahead and hit supply, or if you guys hit confirm, it's going to pop up in your wallet. You confirm, and then you do your supply, okay? I hit confirm the supply. It pops and pulls up the wallet that you're utilizing to do the transaction with, okay? And then you can see it's already set up, and there's different stuff that we're going to be able to show you guys as far as site suggested different gas levels for busier times on the blockchain. But now we're doing it as standard swap on here inside our wallet to get the LP pair. Let's go ahead and confirm that. All right, transaction is submitted, okay? You can actually hit add Flames LP pair to your MetaMask wallet, which I already have. All right, now you see that I have the LP token, AME BBC LP token, and it gives you all of your information. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna swing back over here to the farm. All right, and you can see the AME BBC pair is right here. So we go to stake LP, and it pops up, okay? So if it's the first time that you're staking LP, you're gonna have to enable the transaction. You can see those in the other how-to videos that are on the page, okay? And then it will pop up after you enable, and you'll see your balance of your LP tokens, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and hit max, all right? And it pulls up automatically my amount of LP tokens, which is right there on in the wallet, and it gives me all the buttons to utilize as we go. I'm going to hit confirm. That's going to pull up the wallet so I can confirm the transaction, okay? And this is going to take that LP token that we just made, and it's going to stake it on the farm, okay? So boom, there we go. So we just added liquidity, and we got the LP token, and we staked it on the Flames BBC farm. All right, mad love and respect to you guys. Hit those bells, follow those socials, get with it, work for your bags. You are shilling and chilling with the latest and greatest, and we're gonna take y'all to the moon.